welcome back to the channel, Barbecue Brethren. It's Margarita Monday. What day is it? I don't know.
Friday.
All right, so welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you have been having a fantastic day. This is my sister-in-law, Maddie.
Hello.
She's awesome. She's helping me film the video today because Junior Barbecue has moved on to better and bigger things down in New York. But anyways, we're still slaving away, grinding the axes up here in Maine, drinking some spicy margaritas. I had a contract with tequila, but I'm violating that. Delicious. Isn't that delicious?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Really good.
We've been talking about this new shack project, barbecue temple, whatever. Chuck a like in the comments and let me know what you think we should call this place. And we won't accept anything such as Rwanda or your new home. But anyways, we don't have a good fire pit. So we did all this work, and I literally have this like deformed Tractor Supply fire pit thing, which is going to last like approximately a month and a half once the snow starts to fly. Well, I had one of the guys I've worked with in the past approach me and tell me, why don't you get a fire pit from us? We make them, they're great, you can even cook on them. And I said, say no more. Let me check out what Bali Outdoors sent me. So this is what I got, and they even sent me a hook. Insert your pirate joke here. By the way, what is a pirate's favorite letter?
No.
You're saying R, but it's always the C. So anyways, here's what they sent me. I'm gonna throw a link in the description. This is not a paid advertisement. Like, I literally got this from them and said, sure, I'll talk about it in the video. What it is it's a 3-level cooker, or it's a fire pit that you don't have to cook on at all because everything pops out. You've got a upper rack, a lower rack, and then a rack which the juices will fall down and steam back up, and this will keep your food from getting scorched. You know what this is similar to? It's similar to these things that are from the Big Green Egg, and this is a thing that goes in the egg. When the fire is burning underneath it, it keeps the flames from scorching your meat, which scorched meat is never a good thing. But check this out. This thing here is kind of like the same thing. You build your fire, you set it down on it, and then the meat doesn't get completely scorched from it. Again, am I going to use this fire pit for cooking every single time? No. But the thing is it's very easy to convert to just a regular fire pit. When I was putting this together, I thought, I'm going to have to drill holes in this. Nope, there's already holes in it. There's no way water is going to sit around. And there's actually a little air intake grill. Check this thing out. That allows a little bit of clean air to kind of get injected around the middle. So if you do have this piece in it, it'll still clean it up. Now you got 2 levels of cooking. You got this level right here, which you basically, I like this because you can swing it out, put your meat on it, swing it back, and start cooking. And you have another layer. If you decided you wanted to go even higher with something like slow cook, like you could spatchcock a chicken and stick it on there. That's your solution right there. And then another cool thing is you can change the height of where this is actually gonna cook. You can go up quite a ways, you can take it right out, you can break it off, and you can go right down next to the fire. Boom. It's kind of a quick little review. There's also some bun warming on the outside. You can put your feet on here.
Ew.
It's kind of easy, basic. It's reasonably priced. It's better than what you're gonna find at the box stores, and it's shipped right to your house. Thanks for this 2-minute review. And as always, grill safe out there.